Is the universe infinite? Does it have an edge? Is the universe infinite? Or does it have an edge, a final border where space simply ends? We know the universe began about 14 billion years ago with the Big Bang, and it has been expanding ever since. Because nothing can travel faster than light, we can only see the parts of the universe whose light has had time to reach us. This creates something called the observable universe, a giant sphere centered on us. Even though the universe is 14 billion years old, the most distant objects we can see today are actually about 45 billion light-years away, because space itself has expanded. Inside this observable universe are around 200 billion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. So, from our perspective, the universe does have an edge, but not a physical wall. It's an edge in time. We're looking back into the past until there is simply no earlier light left to see. But beyond what we can observe, the universe continues. How far? We don't know. There are two main possibilities. First, the universe could be finite but without an edge, like the surface of a sphere. Imagine a tiny ant walking on an orange. The surface isn't infinite, but the ant will never reach a border. In a similar way, space itself could be curved, bending back onto itself. If you traveled in a straight line long enough, you might eventually return to your starting point. If this is true, the universe must be at least 1,000 times larger than the observable universe, otherwise we would have noticed its curvature by now. Second, the universe could be truly infinite. No borders, no center, space stretching forever in every direction. This idea leads to strange consequences. If space is infinite and the laws of physics are the same everywhere, then patterns must eventually repeat. Far, far away, there could be regions of space almost identical to ours, perhaps even copies of Earth. But these copies would be so unimaginably distant that we could never reach them. For all practical purposes, they might as well not exist. So, is the universe finite or infinite? Right now, we don't know, and we may never know. What we do know is that our observable universe is finite, and everything we will ever interact with lies within it. And even that small slice of reality is more than vast enough to explore, to wonder, and to dream for all of humanity and beyond.